Hi, this is the generator, the WEN 6800 super great generator. When it's been sitting for a while, you'll want to open up this side panel here. And the pull cord's kind of in the way, so you just have to pull it out a little bit, and then you can undo the panel. And the battery is going to be disconnected, because you don't want to be running that down. So it's a pretty simple matter. You just take the protective covers off and plug the battery in like that. Put the then put this thing back on. Boom, boom. Get in there. There we go. Okay. It's got a carbon monoxide sensor, which means if the shed fills up with carbon monoxide, it's going to shut itself off. So you want to point the exhaust out the door. And the reason you leave it inside the shed is it doesn't want to get rained on. Don't pull it out there. Eric got a long enough cable that it'll reach all the way to the interconnect. So the interconnect has a latch, and it's going to be, this throw is going to be on line. Switch it to off, plug in the cable. It's got one notch there that lines up, and after it's lined up, give it a little bit of a turn and it locks in. Leave this on the off position. Come back over to the generator.
And don't trip over the ground wire.
Well, the ground wire is going away.
Oh, okay. So we're not.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Should I come back over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn on the gas. Turn this knob to choke. Prime the engine by pulling the cable, the start cable, a few times. Turn this knob to run, and then push the start button. The generator needs to run for about 5 minutes to warm itself up and to get ready to energize the well pump. After about 5 minutes, come over here and push this up to generator. And then the well is running on the generator. And then when you're done, it's all reverse. Turn this to off. Actually, you can shut down the generator first. That's probably what you ought to do. When you're done using it, come over here, the propane. There we go. And now you would switch from generator to off to line. Then you can unplug this. Close it up. This'll latch with the plug in. And you want to do that for weather resistance. But then close it up. Put it all back away.
Is that it?
That's it.
Okay. Thumbs up.